Clarity is the foundation of effective prompting. Here's the key idea. AI models are literal interpreters. They do exactly what you ask, not what you meant to ask. Look at this prompt on screen, just 3 words, make it better. Read it the way the AI does. What does it refer to? There's no document, no code, no context. And what does better even mean to you? Shorter, friendlier, more detailed? The AI can't read your mind, so it has to guess, and you'll probably get something useless back. Every vague word you leave in a prompt becomes a coin flip. The fix is to remove the guesswork, and that's exactly what this lesson is about. Once you accept that the AI takes you literally, the first principle follows naturally. Be explicit, not implicit. Don't say fix the issues in my code. Say find and fix any syntax errors in the Python code below. Don't say write something professional. Say write in a formal business tone, using complete sentences and avoiding contractions. See the difference? You're spelling out what you actually mean. The second principle is to use specific verbs. Weak verbs like do, make, help, fix, and change leave room for interpretation. Strong verbs direct the action. Instead of do, say execute or implement. Instead of make, say create or generate. Instead of help, say guide or explain. Precise verbs give the AI a clear job. The third principle is to quantify whenever you can. Numbers remove ambiguity faster than almost anything else. If you ask for a short summary, short could mean 2 sentences or 2 pages. Instead, ask for a summary in exactly 3 sentences. If you ask for a few examples, you might get 2, you might get 10. Instead, ask for 5 examples. Putting an actual number in your prompt turns a fuzzy request into a measurable one. The AI knows exactly when it's done and exactly what success looks like. So anytime you catch yourself writing words like short, long, some, or a few, stop and replace them with a number. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make to any prompt. Let's put all 3 principles together with a quick exercise. The starting prompt is as vague as they come. Tell me about healthy eating. There's no quantity, no audience, no format, so the AI has to guess everything. Now look at the rewrite on screen. List 5 specific healthy eating habits for busy professionals, with 1 sentence explaining the benefit of each habit. Notice what changed. We quantified it with the number 5. We made it explicit about who it's for, busy professionals. And we specified the format, a list with 1 sentence of explanation per item. Same topic, completely different result. When you give the AI a number, an audience, and a format, you stop getting vague essays and start getting exactly what you pictured. Even careful prompts can hide ambiguity in 3 sneaky places. First, ambiguous pronouns. If you write compare Python and JavaScript, it is better for beginners. What does it point to? Instead, say explain which language is better for beginners and why. Second, ambiguous scope. Review the report could mean anything. Be specific. Review the financial projections section of the report for mathematical accuracy. Third, ambiguous success criteria. Make the code faster gives the AI no target. Optimize the code to reduce execution time by at least 50% tells it exactly what winning looks like. The pattern across all 3 is the same. Name the thing, name the boundary, and name the goal. Don't leave the AI to fill in the blanks. Here's a simple checklist you can borrow from goal setting to pull all of this together, the SMART framework. S is for specific. Say exactly what you want. M is for measurable. Give the AI a way to know it got it right. A is for achievable. Keep the request within what the AI can actually do. R is for relevant. Include the context and background it needs. And T is for time-bound. Set an appropriate length or scope limit so the response doesn't sprawl. Run any prompt through these 5 letters before you hit enter. If it's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, You've removed almost all the guesswork, and that's the whole game with clear instructions. Let's see smart in a real prompt. Imagine you want recipe ideas. A lazy version would just say, "Give me some recipes." Watch how the framework fixes that. On screen, suggest 3 vegetarian dinner recipes that can be prepared in under 30 minutes using no more than 8 ingredients each. Include estimated calories per serving. Walk the letters. Specific, 3 recipes. Measurable, calories per serving and an ingredient count. Relevant, vegetarian dinners, which matches the diet that matters. And time-bound, under 30 minutes and no more than 8 ingredients. Every word is doing a job. This is what a fully constrained prompt looks like, and it's the kind of request that gets you a usable answer on the first try. Before we finish, watch for 3 common pitfalls. Double meanings. Draw a table could mean sketch furniture or format data. Assumed context. Continue. The story makes the AI ask which story and from where. And jargon without definition. Make it more agile could mean a development method or just flexible. Now audit the prompt on screen. Spot the issues. What product? Look good has no design specs. Everything is undefined and there's no slide count or format. Try fixing it yourself right now. Use the interactive prompt playground on this lesson page at FreeAcademy.ai, or paste your rewrite into an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Claude. Clear prompts lead to useful outputs every time.